old. You shouldn't fuck up your taste bud.
One shot.
Alright, oh my goodness.
One kill.
Can't remember which one. I think it was the red and green one at work, the guava, whatever. That one tastes like shit.
Enemy field ahead.
The payload's under my protection.
Le baiser de la veuve. Ennemi turret destroyed.
Thank you, my friend.
The payload has reached objective.
I shall see.
Oh my god!
Systems called Reaper here.
I always had faith in you.
Oh. Nope.
Damn.
Still coming at you. I am moving the payload.
Ever get that feeling, deja vu?
Oh god, where'd she go?
You feel that? Watch your back.
Dein Schutzengel ist da.
Oh! Shit.
No one
Oh.
Enemy returns.
sight.
冻住，不许走。
Ah!
Widowmaker here.
First half.
Payload stop.
Helden sterben nicht.
Hanzo, at your service.
God.
Baptiste here.
My stomach's being weird. I'm hungry, but I feel nauseous when I eat. I don't think you're dying. You probably have that bug that was going around. Oh my goodness.
Regen burst activated.
Join me.
Oh!
Imagination is the
You know what?
essence of discovery.
It's terrifying. Like, I have really bad hiccups. Or I used to. I didn't know you could die from it, though.
I feel great.
Ow!
Helden sterben nicht.
Oh no!
Very hot.
Torbjörn, ready to burst.
Vital signs.
Yeah. So, I didn't know until I watched Grey's Anatomy and it happened, and I was like, oh, it's just a TV show, right? No, you can actually die from having hiccups.
My business, my rules.